Hi, my name's Blabs, and I'm going to give you a quick rundown of how I configure my EyeTrackVR setup using the Leap algorithm. Alright, first things first, you want to come up here into Algo settings. I untick the first setting and I have just Leap ticked. I also have a Leap lid unchecked, as having a Leap as your primary algorithm basically does this already. We want to come back to both eyes and we want to go into cropping mode for each eye, and you want to ensure that each eye is sort of in this frame that you can drag. You also have these rotation sliders. You want to try and get your eyes to be somewhat level like this. When you come back to tracking mode, you'll see that there's these dots that kind of show the outline of your eye as well as your pupil. You might need to adjust the rotation until this works a little bit better. You'll see when I calibrate in a second that my right eye gets a bit out of whack. I use my left eye dominantly for tracking. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click Start Calibration, and I'm going to basically roll my eyes in a circle at the extent of my vision. So looking beyond the screen of my headset, looking into sort of the darker territory in the outer field of view. And then I will look to the center and I'll blink once or twice. So let's just do that now. So I want to come up to the top and I'm going to click Start Calibration. I'm looking up the top, rolling my eyes around, looking at the center, blink once, blink twice, and you'll hear the beep in a minute. There you go. Now the next thing I like to do is we're going to do our recenter eyes. You can click the button up here. I think you only need to do it on one of them. The other thing you can do is you can actually, if you modify your avatars, you can add a button in one of your menus and give it the parameter EyeTrackVR_recenter eyes, and then you can trigger this from in-game rather than having to use your menu. What I like to do is I set my personal mirror up in front of me. I'm going to look basically between my eyes in the reflection of my personal mirror, and then I'm going to come up here and click recenter eyes. So I've got my mouse on the button and I'm looking at my reflection now. You hear the first beep, and I just keep looking between my eyes until we hear the second beep. Cool. That's my eyes calibrated. Enjoy looking at people and stuff.